Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges on an Epson Stylus Photo R340. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without involving a PC or laptop. Now first of all we need to go into the setup menu, which we do by pressing this button just here. And once we're in here, we're going to be using the arrow keys over here and OK to navigate around. So first thing we're going to do is press down twice and get down to Ink Cartridge Replacement. Then we press OK. OK again to proceed. And once you've done that, your printer will get the ink cartridge cradle into the correct position. So we can access this by just lifting up here, getting the hatch up, and you'll see the cradle has been brought over to where it needs to be. Now we press down on the top so we can access the ink cartridges, and to remove them they should have like a spring-loaded clip on the back. So we press that in, lift up when we need to, grab our replacement ink cartridge. Now before you install it you want to make sure you've taken any pull tabs that might be present on the top off of there. Sometimes with the compatibles you'll have like a little wedge keeping this away from the body, so make sure that's off, but leave the film on the bottom which won't have been pierced on a new cartridge, because your printer will do that as it goes in. So we'll pop the cartridge in, and when it's down into position you'll hopefully hear a little click just to reassure you that's there. When all the cartridges you need to change are changed, close that up, close the lid again, and then back at the screen we're just going to press OK so the printer can take a look at the cartridges and make sure it's happy. So here we go. Now when it says charging ink, what it's doing is taking any ink that's in the cartridges and dragging it down to where it needs to be within the printer for dispensing onto your page. So this will take just a minute, and you'll hopefully be left with a page that looks like this. So you just press OK and you're done. Now I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.